Hi guys, welcome to my channel Art Fishler. My name is Sasha and I'm gonna teach you and your kids how to paint. Today we're gonna paint the dog Korgi, so please prepare watercolor stuff and we will start right now. So first of all we need to do sketch. We have to understand the size of the dog. Let's do it not too big. For example, that's gonna be a size of the head, and 2.5 times we will put the head size of the head to the size of the body. Okay, the form is so simple. There are gonna be legs. There's gonna be a form of the head and ears. Okay, from that simple forms we start to doing more detalization. First of all, let's start from the head. Our dog looks on the right side. So we see I'm doing line of the middle, a bit from the right to the left side. The line of the beginning of ears here will be same line of the eyes. It has to be symmetrical. That's important. Don't forget, and important to have same destination from the medium line to eyes, to the each eye. One and another one. Okay, the nose is going from those points to I'll try to make my painting as much simple as I can. That's gonna be a bit like sketch style. So please follow that, especially if you're beginner. That's gonna be not so complicated to you. Actually, I believe that everyone can paint. Everyone, trust me. It's not a talent, you know. It's just a skill. You could learn easy. Just practice and you'll do that. Trust me, guys. And first of all, you need to enjoy the process. Okay, the head is ready. So let's make eyes more like a bit sad, yeah? Because maybe that's Korgi. We just want to eat, and they're making this kind of sad eyes, right? When they're asking people to feed them. Okay. Here gonna be a tail, and here another leg. Okay. Also, I wanna know where gonna be the shadows, so I'm using pencil also to show it to myself a little bit. Yeah. Okay. I'm ready to paint. Hope you too. Let's start together. We're gonna do 3 layers of painting. First will be very easy, very light layer. I'm mixing brown and orange, and now I'll try to make big I will make big brown how to say, you will see now that like one big part of the brown. Okay, my color is finished. I'm mixing again. So some here and here. Those two legs are far from us, more far from us. So we're making them a bit more dark, but not put so much details on them, because it's far and it's like second plan. Okay. Yeah. So that's almost, yeah, that's it. And also for the first layer we need to work with the white hair. For that, the light parts we will leave just white, because in watercolor we never use white. We'll leave just the paper. And for the shadows I'm gonna use some purple, mixing with brown, and I'm doing like texture of the hair. Some shadows inside of the ears. Some shadows on the legs. Not so dark. Okay, so now it's time for the second layer. I'm taking the more dark color and start to make shadows more intensive. I'll do nose, but don't forget to leave reflections. They're gonna be white, exactly. Fingers of another leg. Okay. Okay, don't put too much here. Okay, now time for the third layer. That's gonna be brown, but still with the orange or red. So here I'll work more with the texture of the hair. You see, on this side it's coming from the right to the left. And I'm using my brush like boom, 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 like this, from the right to the left, from the right to the left, always. And here another side, from the left to the right. like this. Also guys, please don't forget to change the size of the brush. I didn't, because I have a very good brush which I could just change the position and it helps me more. I can do small like this and bigger like that. So my advice, I brush this form of the brush. Okay, I'd like to add some more orange, some form here. But guys, now look, now I have a very dark these parts, and I need to make it a bit more light. So from the one side, I'm like washing it with water to let it more soft goes to light color. Hope you understand me. To be honest, it's my first full video in English, so don't judge me too much. I hope you'll love it. I hope I will improve my English better and faster with you. And you will improve your painting skills with me. Just don't be lazy. And let's paint regular. That's it. It's same like when you, for example, learn language. Just regular, enjoy, and you will do it. Okay, so now for the sketch it's almost enough. We will do just the darkest parts now. I'll take purple, I'll take brown, dark brown. So now I need almost black color. When you're making dark, take a dark brown. Okay, nose have form. So we need to show it. And now, very important, so important, the eyes of the dog. Don't forget to leave small reflections. One, two, this. If it's too complicated to you, you can use the black pen like this, but that will look much more better if you'll do it in watercolor, but with a very small brush. Okay guys, so I'm done. Maybe a little bit of light orange. This. A bit more brown. Actually, for the sketch, that's enough. That's totally enough. So now Also, I'll make a bit shadows under the dog. And that's it. So send your work. My name is Sasha. I was so happy to see you on my channel. Please follow me on Instagram, @Fishler or Sasha Fishler, and see you on the next videos. Thank you for being with me.